Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best instant hot water heater for RV you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many instant hot water heater for RV and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each instant hot water heater for RV so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an instant hot water heater for an RV. First, check the size and capacity to ensure it fits your RV space and meets your hot water needs. Next, look at the fuel type. Options like propane, electric, or hybrid models offer different efficiency levels and installation requirements. Energy efficiency is also crucial because it affects both performance and power consumption on the road. Consider the recovery rate, which determines how quickly the heater can produce more hot water after each use. Safety features such as temperature control, overheat protection, and automatic shutoff are important for worry-free operation. Lastly, review the installation process, maintenance ease, and warranty coverage for long-term reliability. Choosing the right model will make your RV life more comfortable and efficient. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.